Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make this. It's called Pancit Canton Chow mein, and it's in the original flavor. Usually when I make pancit, it's definitely not in one of these. I've had it once before, wasn't sure how I liked it, but I wanted to show you this in case you've never made it. Noodles and briskly boiling water for 3 minutes. Step 2 is mix special seasoning, soy sauce, and oil on a plate to form a paste. I'm actually going to put it in a bowl, and yes, I am eating Cheetos while I cook it. And then step 3, drain noodles and place on plate with the prepared sauce. Mix well and then enjoy. Okay, so I've got my pan going, and I'm actually going to turn up that so it could just start boiling faster. And let's go ahead and take out what's inside of this so you can see. Okay, so I set you guys down so you can go ahead and open this up. So you want to take this flap here and just pull it. That way it just opens up real easily. It's pretty thin, so be careful when you open it up so it does not like burst and go everywhere. Take your seasonings, just set it in here. As you can see, it's just like regular like ramen noodles, but it's like way smaller. Usually ramen noodles is in a bigger pouch and there's like more noodles. So if you want to eat more, I would suggest buying 2 packs and making it both at the same time. So here's the little packets. So this is the soy sauce. I'm assuming this is garlic. And then this is like the dry ingredients. Okay, so the water's boiling, so let's go over there. So water is boiling, so let's go ahead and add the noodles. If I can get it out. Okay, noodles in. Ooh, this looks super hot, guys. I'm going to turn it down. And there are noodles inside here, so we're just going to pour it in so you can get all the noodles in there. Okay, and we need to boil it for how long again? 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and put this on for 3 minutes. And let's go ahead and make the packet so it's ready for the noodles. Okay, so I grabbed some scissors and go ahead and mix stuff together. Actually, there's some noodles in here. I'm gonna dump that into the water. So here's the dry ingredients. Okay, so now I'm going to add the soy sauce, and I believe that is the garlic mix. If it's not, let me know below what in the world this is. So let's go ahead and add that. I'm going to use my favorite chopsticks. These are chopsticks I got in Korea, in Insadong actually, to be more specific. We were walking through Insadong, and there's a lot of shops and like a lot of tea houses there, and I walked up some stairs to just take a look at this shop, just to walk through it, and this lady had all these like chopsticks, just chopsticks and chopsticks bowls, and they were like all handmade, and it's like my favorite. This is thin, it's easier to like use than regular chopsticks. Let me show you some regular chopsticks. And that was my timer, so I need to get the noodles, and I'll take a shot of what this mixture looks like. But see how much bigger this is compared to this? I just don't, it's not comfortable to me. So these are my favorite. let me show you what this mixture looks like. Okay, so here's the mixture all together. It is definitely a paste. So let's go ahead and get the noodles and mix it all up. Okay, so I'm gonna jump this very slowly. Oh no, there goes a noodle. No, noodle, don't go. And some small noodles. I do have a strainer, but it's actually in the dishwasher, so I can't use it. Okay, so you just put your chopsticks like right here to stop the noodles from coming out. There will be the small ones that come out, but for the most part it works. And you can pull it back if you see it going some more. And just drain. Ah, no noodle. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna drain out. Most of the water is out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my noodles, my chopsticks, and mix it. All right, let's go ahead and try it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the pancit right here. Ooh, about to come out of my bowl. So it's just like regular ramen noodles. I think if you bought regular ramen noodles, cooked it for 3 minutes, no more, or else they'll like fatten up and it won't taste right. Get some soy sauce, some oil, probably sesame oil would be better. And then I would actually just add in some carrots and cabbage, just cut that up and then add it to it, and it'll be way better and probably cheaper. So let's see how this tastes. This is good. I definitely taste like the chicken, what is it? Like a bouillon chicken, but not bouillon, like it'd have to be just like the dried, I don't know, like chicken flavor, whatever. It tastes really good, but I would change it by adding some meat. There's my son. He knew that I just made something to eat, so he wants to try it. Anyways, I hope you found this helpful, and let me know if you try this, and let me know if you like it. All right, have a great day. Bye.